हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आज क्लास रे आम डिस्कसन करवा ओडिशा जीके रो मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट 40 क्वेश्चन गुड़िक बहुत इंपोर्टेंट अच्छी आपण एग्जाम पे बहुत हेल्पफुल करिवो वीडियोटी को प्रथम रु शेष जाए देखंतु आउ वीडियो जदि भल लागिवो लाइक शेयर आउ सब्सक्राइब करंतु चलंतु वीडियोटी को स्टार्ट करवा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 Who was the first central minister from Odisha? राइट आंसर टी होची ऑप्शन ए डॉक्टर हरे कृष्ण महताब। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हु वाज द फर्स्ट वुमेन चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ओडिशा? राइट आंसर टी होची ऑप्शन बी नंदिनी शतपथी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हु वाज द फर्स्ट ओडिया पद्म विभूषण अवार्ड? राइट आंसर टी होची ऑप्शन ए केलुचरण महापात्र। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हु वाज द फर्स्ट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट फ्रॉम ओडिशा? राइट आंसर टी होची ऑप्शन सी रंगनाथ मिश्र। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हु वाज द फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ओडिशा? राइट आंसर टी होची ऑप्शन बी डॉक्टर हरे कृष्ण महताब। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 which of the following central leaders was instrumental in merger of princely state with the province of Odisha? राइट आंसर टी होची ऑप्शन सी सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 द यूज ऑफ आर्ट इन म्यूजिक इज कॉल्ड? राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी चित्रकला। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 which district in Odisha is known for the folk dance called रावण छाया? राइट आंसर टी होची ऑप्शन बी अनुगुल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 the election to the first Odisha Legislative Assembly in 1937 was held for how many seats? राइट आंसर टी होची ऑप्शन बी 56 सीट। Question number 10 which community of Odisha is associated with Jhumar dance? Right answer टी होची option D both B and C. Question number 11 how many nominated members were there in the Odisha Legislative Assembly when it was first established in 1937? Right answer टी होची option C 4. Question number 12 which district is known for its association with the Ghumura dance? Right answer टी होची option D Kolahandi district. Question number 13 in which year the first election to the Odisha Legislative Assembly was held after Odisha became a separate province? Right answer टी होची option B 1937. Question number 14 Naga dance is mainly performed in? Right answer टी होची option B Puri district. Question number 15. Which of the following did not contest in the first election in Odisha after it became a separate state? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option B ସ୍ୱରାଜ୍ୟ ପାର୍ଟି. Question number 16. In performing the Odissi dance, which is the first step or phase? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C ମଙ୍ଗଳାଚରଣ. Question number 17. Bhubaneswar became a municipal corporation in which year? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option D 1994. Question number 18. Which district is famous for the dance from called Chaiti Ghoda? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option A କଟକ. Question number 19. The first women legislator of Odisha. Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C ସାରଳା ଦେବୀ. Question number 20. What is the main theme of the Paiko dance that takes place in the village of Odisha? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C battles. Question number 21. The administration of the Mayurbhanj state was handed over the government of Odisha on 1st January. Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option B 1949. Question number 22. Which district is known for its association with the Gutipua tradition? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C ପୁରୀ district. Question number 23. Which became the deputy speaker of the first link assembly formed in 1937? Right answer ହେଉଛି option A ନନ୍ଦକିଶୋର ଦାସ. Question number 24. Ghumura dance is prevalent in which district of Odisha? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option D all of these. Question number 25. Who among the following became the speaker of first link assembly formed in 1937? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C ମୁକୁନ୍ଦ ପ୍ରସାଦ ଦାସ. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a form of dance or folk performance in Odisha? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option A C କଥାକଲି. Question number 27. Which of the following dance is associated with the Devadasi system in Odisha? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option B ମହରୀ. Question number 28. Odisha Dance Academy was founded in which year in Odisha? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C 1975. Question number 29. Animal mask dance of Odisha is prevalent in which district of Odisha? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option A ଗଞ୍ଜାମ district. Question number 30. Who founded Oxford Odyssey Centre in the University of Oxford in United Kingdom? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option A ବୈଶାଲୀ ମହାନ୍ତି. Question number 31. Which among the following dance of Odisha is also known as Rukmar Nacho? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C ଛଉ dance. Question number 32. The Chutku Chuta dance is associated with which district? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C ସମ୍ବଲପୁର district. Question number 33. Which dance of Odisha was started to popularize worship of Lord Shiva against the rage of Buddhism? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option B ଦଣ୍ଡନାଟ. Question number 34. Forests in Odisha are classified into how many broad divisions? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C 4. Question number 35. Which district of Odisha face destruction of a forest due to practice of podu cultivation? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option A ଫୁଲବାଣୀ district. Question number 36. What is the total recorded forest area of Odisha as per India State of Forest Report 2011? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option B 61,204.17 square kilometer. Question number 37. Odisha is the third largest producer of. Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option B କେନ୍ଦୁ leaves. Question number 38. Which of the following forest cover the maximum area of forest cover in Odisha? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option A open forest. Question number 39. The Odisha Forest Development Corporation Limited come into existence in which year? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି 1962. Option number D. ଆଜିର last question. Question number 40. As per India State of Forest Report 2017, which among the following districts has the lowest forest cover in Odisha? Right answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option B ଭଦ୍ରକ.